A point? What the heck's a point? What are you even talking about? Mortgage points, that's what we're talking about. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will not only know what mortgage points are, but you will know if you should buy them, if they're right for you, and potentially save thousands and thousands of dollars. Welcome to your one-stop shop for anything and everything mortgage education. Thank you for stopping by. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday, so please subscribe. My name is Stephanie Weeks, and I have helped thousands of customers with millions and millions of dollars in mortgage financing. And if you don't believe me, just check out my hundreds of testimonials. I got 5 stars, baby, and I got a lot of them. We're talking mortgage points. What the heck is a point? Is it a pointer? Are you trying to teach me something? No, I'm talking mortgage points. And a point is a percent of your loan amount that you pay directly to buy down your interest rate. It's called a discount point because you are discounting your rate. The points are different percentages. It depends on the pricing that day and what rate that you're trying to get to. So sometimes a point really just is like 0.25% of your loan amount. Sometimes it is 0.1% of your loan amount. Sometimes it's 1% of your loan amount. Sometimes it's 2%. There's a range and it depends. But that is what mortgage points are. How much is a mortgage point? Well, as mentioned before, a point is a percentage of your loan amount, right? So let's say you have a $100,000 loan amount, and let's say that you pay 1 point would be 1% of your loan amount, or $1,000 in that example. Or let's say that you have a $100,000 loan amount and you're going to pay 0.375% points, right? Well, that's $375 that you are paying, and that extra fee to discount your rate and buy it down. Not too complicated, but it can get a little bit confusing. Should you buy a point? What you want to consider are including, but not limited to, what is the rate without the point? What is the rate with the point? What percentage is the point? What dollar amount does the point equal? If you pay the point, are you increasing your loan amount? Or are you keeping your loan amount the same and paying the point in cash? Because that's going to make a difference on your cost versus break even. What's the principal and interest portion of the monthly payment without the point? What is it with the points? Subtract to figure out what the difference is, right? And then what you want to do is figure out your cost versus break even. So here's a simple example. Let's say that no points cost you no points, right? And a point cost you $1,000. Well, let's say that that $1,000 in this example was saving you $20 a month, okay? But you plan on living in this home or selling it, whatever, you're gonna get out of this mortgage in about 2 years, right? So you're gonna figure out, okay, so the point cost me $1,000. It saved me $20 a month, right? So what is my break-even point? And if you're gonna sell the home in 2 years and your break-even is 3 years or 2 years or 2.5, well, guess what? You just lost money by paying that point. And what is really, really interesting to me, and a little bit of a pet peeve of mine, most people don't even know they're paying points. Most people don't even know they have the choice to not pay points. And most people don't even know how to analyze the difference to make the best decision. So that's why I'm sharing this information, because knowledge is power. And I want you to know what you're getting, why you're getting it, what other options you have, what your cost is, what your break even is, so that you can make the best decision regarding points for you specifically. Because sometimes points are great and sometimes they're terrible. It's case by case, right? So a point might be great for your neighbor, might be great for your dad, might be great for your third cousin's boyfriend's sister, but maybe not right for you. A lot of people think that paying a point means it saves them a point or 1% on their interest rate. It's actually absolutely not true. Here's an example for you. Let's say that the rate without points is 3.25%. Let's say that the rate with points is 3%. That's only a quarter difference, right? In this example, 1 point or 1% of your loan amount saved you 1/4% on the rate because it took you from 3.25% down to 3%. Actually, how it works is it depends on the market and the lender and the pricing that day. What I've seen over the last 16 years is that a point generally saves you about 1/4% for every 1 point you pay. But I've seen that spread be as much as 0.5% savings on the interest rate for that 1 point. And there's even been days where that 1 point saves you like 1/8, and it really makes no sense. So make sure you know your calculations, make sure you know your options, and make sure you understand what a point is and if it makes sense for you or not. I have a checklist for you. Short home loan financing checklist. So what that is I know we're talking about points, and this ties into points because step 1 is applying for a mortgage. Step 2 is providing really accurate information. Step 3 is knowing what to provide, or that could be step 0.1 before you even apply to know what to provide. So this checklist actually tells you what you can expect to get you started. And then once you're kind of getting in there and you got your feet wet and you're talking to your loan officer about your goals, and then you're going to get into the discussion about points and decide if they are right for you or not. You're just going to click the link below to access the checklist. Type peace in the comments if you have paid a point before. Type win in the comments if you're enjoying this video and you feel more educated than before you started with me today. I'm asking you for a favor. If you're enjoying this channel, please share it with a friend. I'm really trying to spread the word and really educate everybody on mortgage lending. For more mortgage education, check out this video, or maybe even that one over there, and please like and subscribe. Don't forget the bell to be notified every time I post videos, Tuesdays and Saturdays, of course. And check me out on social media. Let's connect. Let's get off YouTube for a minute. Just say hi. Check me out on Instagram _The Real Stephanie Weeks.